you're gonna see the aerial view of this magnificent 5-star hotel in Varanasi now.
चलिए दौड़िए भागिए और तुरंत फॉलो कीजिए।
हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, केम छो, कसाय पब्लिक, जोहार और कैसन बाड़ा रहुआ लोग। वेलकम टू वाराणसी, one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities, a spiritual epicenter of India. Varanasi is a vibrant mosaic of rituals, rivers, temples, and timeless heritage. Today we bring you an exclusive look inside the Hilton Hotel in Varanasi, where global standards meet the soul of Varanasi. Located in the tranquil Pandepur neighborhood, Hilton Hotel Varanasi offers a peaceful yet central location, perfect for business and leisure travelers alike. The lobby welcomes you with a sleek interiors, ambient lighting, and the signature Hilton hospitality. The hotel offers a variety of accommodation options, including deluxe rooms, executive suites, and family suites. Each room features elegant furnishing, ergonomic workspaces, plush bedding, and stunning city or garden views. Amenities include high-speed Wi-Fi, 50-inch smart TVs, well-stocked mini bars, rainfall showers, and 24 hours room service. Whether you are here for a business or a spiritual retreat, the comfort is consistent across the board. Hilton Hotel Varanasi offers a host of amenities. The rooftop pool offers panoramic city views, perfect for relaxing after a day of exploration. The 24/7 fitness center is fully equipped, and the on-site wellness spa provides rejuvenating therapies rooted in both Ayurveda and contemporary wellness techniques. For corporate travelers, there are multiple meeting and conference rooms with modern audio-visual tech and dedicated event planning support. Dining at Hilton is a global affair. Their all-day dining restaurant offers a mix of Indian, Asian, and continental cuisine with both buffet and a la carte options. Do try their Banarasi Thali, a flavor tribute to the local culture. Also on offer, a variety of vegan and gluten-free options catering to global guests. The ambience at Hilton Hotel Varanasi strikes a beautiful balance between contemporary elegance and cultural reflection. The interiors are modern yet infused with subtle motifs and colors inspired by the city's spiritual essence. The staff here is a standout highlight. Exceptionally courteous, well-trained, and always a step ahead in anticipating your needs. From a smooth check-in to an impeccable room service, hospitality at Hilton Hotel Pandepur is genuinely world-class. The overall facilities, from common areas to in-room amenities, are consistently well maintained and spotless. Every interaction, every service reflects Hilton's global excellence. The hotel's location offers easy access to some of Varanasi's iconic landmarks. Take a sunrise boat ride along the Ganges, explore the ruins of Sarnath just a short drive away, or shop for silk and handicraft in the bustling local markets. Even within the hotel premises, the landscaped garden areas and terrace lounges offer moments of serenity amidst the city's spiritual buzz. Whether you are here to explore the sacred ghats, conduct business, or simply relax in a refined atmosphere, Hilton Hotel at Varanasi delivers on all fronts. With premium rooms, extensive amenities, good food, and outstanding service, it truly sets a benchmark for hospitality in this historic city. Thank you for joining me on this immersive tour. For more hotel reviews and travel inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and travel well. And yes, have no fear, when Gappu is here, you're gonna see the aerial view of this magnificent 5-star hotel in Varanasi now.